Hi guys! Today we're gonna do it a bit different because I won't be blowing with my blow dryer, but I will be making a puddle, swipe the white over, then blow a little design with my mouth and try to stretch this design with tilting the paint instead of blowing it. Alex is not here, but I feel like experimenting and a bit studying, so I thought let's put it on camera and see what happens. Here we go. Alright, there's already a base of white on the canvas and I'm starting with this very vibrant color and it's Fluo blue. And some, Fluo blue, Fluo red of course. Some Phthalo blue. Dyck brown. Okay, there was a chunk in there, and then bronze. White. Okay, I'm gonna pour white around this. Swipe this over the colors. Like that. Some cells are popping. It's beautiful. Let me torch this. Alright, there's my little design and now I'm gonna tilt this. Okay. There are not a lot of cells in this, but I like that the colors are separated and it's very vibrant here and gets a lot softer around the edges. That's beautiful. It's very clean and soft. Good contrast here. Yeah. I will give you a close-up so you can see. You see here is the contrast, the darker colors, and then it fades out. Beautiful, soft. And I like that this color is turning into sort of salmon pink. I love that. So this is a simple and easy technique. I do love the outcome. It's very clean, colors are separated. Yeah, I'm gonna try to experiment more with this and more tilting instead of blowing, because it creates different stuff. And also I think if I'm doing this on a rotation table, a spinning table, it will turn out prettier than this, because you don't have the control really when you're tilting. Yeah, I love it. Okay guys, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell of course and let me know what you think.